So I'm excited to share with you what we're going to do today. And we're kind of, it's kind of weird what we're doing. We're going to, I'm going to show you where I'm at. So I am 3/4 of the way through the process. I'm going to back up to the beginning, show you what I did, and then I'm going to finish. This is an old cabinet door. So it's the silhouette of a woman. So what I did was I took an old cabinet door and I painted it white, and I decoupaged one of the Monahan Papers, Common Please. Then I loosely painted with white Swan. Then I hand drew the silhouette of the woman, and we are going to add the Wander Floral Transfer to the bottom, and we're going to make a thing out of it. And this is This Indenture, and all I want is to get that texture in the background, so it wasn't just a stark white. When I decoupage, I always spray the back of the paper with a coat of Rust-Oleum matte sealer that puts a barrier down so that your decoupage medium doesn't cause wrinkle and bubbles in your paper. I'll use the clear liquid patina as my decoupage medium. It's my favorite. I'm going to get this on there, and then I'm going to go over it with a real loose coat of white Swan, and then I will wipe back so it looks worn, and that's when I would go ahead and start painting in my girl. So I outlined this with Little Black Dress, went in with Letterpress gray, some gravel road, and some white, and did the shadowing. And then I'm going to build her skirts with elements from the Wander Transfer. So when you open this up, this is the first sheet. And they still come with the sticks. Here's the next one. And the third. And the fourth. And so I just want to kind of build the outline of where my skirt is going to go. This doesn't have to be perfect because my transfers will layer. So I don't have to worry about, you know, cutting them because I want to put something in that spot. It'll just go right over the top. So what I think I want it to do is kind of go out. I am going to start with flowers, and I know that I want a big one to go right there. So, and that's going to be like my, yeah,
your jump off point.
And I do not want it to go straight up and down. Like the last thing I want to do is that. So I think I'm going to put it on an angle. we need something.
Here's a good
Hold
one.
on. That is going to go right there.
This one.
I like that. Her face is right here, so she's looking that way.
It's just so behind, it hasn't caught up yet.
Is actually the dark side, and it's hard to see on camera, but this is actually her face. In person, it's easier to tell. I might go in and darken that a little bit.